The ultimate guide to water-resistant aprons, style, protection, and functionality. Welcome to the ultimate guide to water-resistant aprons, your perfect companion for mess-free cooking, cleaning, and grilling. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, a high-quality apron is an essential part of your kitchen gear. Let's dive in. What makes water-resistant aprons special? Water-resistant aprons are designed to protect you from spills, stains, and splashes, making them ideal for messy kitchen tasks. These aprons are crafted with special materials that ensure liquids roll right off, keeping you dry and comfortable all day long. From durable waterproof aprons for heavy-duty tasks to stylish kitchen aprons for everyday cooking, there's a perfect option for every need. Why choose Hedley and Bennett aprons? When it comes to premium quality, Hedley and Bennett aprons stand out. Known for their durability and style, these aprons are made for professionals and home cooks alike. Plus, every apron from Hedley and Bennett offers water-resistant fabrics to handle messy spills, adjustable straps for a perfect fit, spacious pockets for tools and utensils, sleek designs that look great in any kitchen. With Hedley and Bennett, you're not just buying an apron, you're investing in a trusted kitchen companion. Aprons for everyone looking for the perfect apron? Check out these options. Aprons for men. Rugged, practical, and stylish. Perfect for grilling or professional use. Aprons for women. Chic designs in vibrant colors, blending style and functionality. Chef aprons. Designed for professionals, with durable fabrics and water-resistant features. Cooking aprons. Ideal for home cooks, offering comfort and convenience in the kitchen. Best aprons for every kitchen. Whether you need a waterproof kitchen apron or a versatile kitchen apron for everyday use, finding the best aprons has never been easier. From heavy-duty options to stylish designs, there's something for everyone. Exclusive 15% off offer. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Get 15% off your first order and discover the perfect water-resistant apron today. Don't miss this chance to combine functionality, style, and savings. Why customers love these aprons. Real customers rave about these aprons. They love the water-resistant materials, comfortable fit, and stylish designs. Whether you're a professional chef or a weekend warrior in the kitchen, these aprons deliver on quality and performance. Shop the best water-resistant aprons today. Looking for the best water-resistant aprons? Go video description link to shop our collection. Whether you need a professional chef apron, a cooking apron, or a stylish waterproof kitchen apron, we've got you covered. Protect your clothes and elevate your style with a water-resistant apron. Don't forget to grab 15% off your first order, because your kitchen deserves the best. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.